My name is Graciela Izquierdo Navarro. I am 52 years old currently. I live in Bogota. I live with, with my husband, my niece, and my two cats, Agatha and Maximilian. I am married. I have a daughter. This is this is my third semester at UNAT, studying business administration. I work in the Archivo General de la Nación in the financial area. I like dancing, listening to music, painting, and making craft, watching basketball and soccer, and go to the movies. The Tayrona National Park and how it was the best experience of the country for fellow travelers. Natural, I want to go see it with my own eyes. I included into my Colombia bucket list and start to plan the trip. If you were ever curious what is special about the park, or better, you're also planning your adventure. The Tayrona Park is located in the Caribbean coast. I walk bus ride from the city of Santa Marta. The natural prime is trouser for those interested in nature. It's fascinating wildlife if you are not big fan of animals. You you will still love the park. Tayrona is also a great gateway for those who simply want to relax on some of the loveliest South America coastline, have digital detox and get closer to nature. And it's just a fun adventure by itself. I read some articles before going, and while I found them relatively useful, some the info there is bad outdated. That is why I decided to write up my own experience and write a more up-to-date post. Here are some practical things that you should know before visiting the Tayrona Park. The strength Wi-Fi is 395,000 cop 12 11 tuf for foreign in kite breeds of Colombia standardized is why it makes sense to stay longer than 1 2 days. Pro tip: do not forget to take your student card if you are less than 25 years old of the are student. The stranger will bet you 7,000 for you. I buy more $2. Good save how. I don't know I don't know what will happen if while leaving my passport in my hotel in Santa Marta, which what I usually do if gone on hike. Fortunately, I have read this noise before. The cashier rakes in the entrance when you buy your ticket. Don't forget it, please. Remember what in the part the civilization is kit removing and you have trip option for food. Bring I yourself for whatever amount of days you will be staying. A from local cave that are there in the age camp, combining the above two options. As you are traveling on budget, you can bring your of food in your backpack. Remember truck, you will have to carry it. You can also eat in the in one of those camp cave. All other box I read it said that is very priced to add there. However, either that why many years ago and the price are outdated. Either the goods were on very low border, but I found the price to be quite affordable. I will let you decide it if it is affordable or price by leaving here the price that I found when I visited in January 21 says, here are the things that you should then finally pack in your backpack. Sunblock, water, mosquito repellent, sunglasses, swimming suit, long-lived canned food, a torch, a camarera. The finally, thank you.